Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this short video, I want to show you how you could bring back your right side panel, which the name is command panel. Sometimes you accidentally close your command panel and you don't know how you could bring it, something like that. It is very simple actually. You could just right click any empty area of your toolbar, not the ribbon, toolbar, and enable command panel. Or simply press X from your keyboard and type command panel toggle. Enable it and now you have command panel. And because sometimes you're accidentally moving your panels, something like that, allow me to unlock. Something like that. It is nothing to worry. Simply you could double click on the title here to snap, or just drag it to the right side until it snap. And because it is possible accidentally you move your toolbars or commands and you don't like it, go to customize menu and lock UI layout, or press Alt Option 0 from your keyboard. Now if you check, it is locked and you could not move it out. Thanks for watching.